It's not going to change the clutch clearance that much. I mean, yes, if they're soaked with fluid, you are going to have to push that fluid out of the material in order to get a much more accurate reading on that. But if you're compressing that with air and you're actually measuring the movement of the piston or the vacuum plate or whatever it is that you're attempting to measure, then you're still going to be able to accomplish that. But it's when you're doing the dry measurement.
For a long time there, I threw frictions in dry. Well, when it began, they were always soaked because that's what we were told to soak. Then an old timer goes, "Fucking wasting your time. Where time is money. Just throw the clutches in." And we've taken units apart before. It's never made one iota bit of a difference. He was more of a mentor, right? He was the teacher, so okay, whatever. I'll throw them all in.
I had a lot of those mentors tell me things that got me in trouble.